This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tim Sharp. Located close to shopping, dining and schools, this well-maintained condo is in a highly sought-after subdivision. This spacious and open floor plan with vaulted ceilings in living room and owner's suite has it all. On the main level you will find the owner's suite, an additional half bath, laundry room and storage under the stairs. The upstairs has 2 bedrooms, additional full-sized room, no closet, no window, and full bath. With a fenced-in backyard and low HOA fees, come enjoy all that this home has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Tim Sharp at 865-584-4000.